Hello, good morning. At this point, you're probably asking or wondering, why are you uploading so many videos about random different stuff? Well, I don't know. Like, if I kind of ask myself too, is this worth making a whole separate entire video on YouTube that I'm posting? Maybe, maybe not. But again, this is my channel. If you're not really interested in this, you can unsubscribe, which is the worst case scenario, or like just not watch the video. But this is a steamer. I'm done ranting, by the way. That I got off of the TikTok shop. This is from the brand called Jack and Rose, as you can see here. And the reason why I got this one in particular, they have a couple of different steamers, but this one is compatible with the larger voltages. Does that make sense? Like, it can do up to 240 volts, so it's great for traveling, which is the reason why I got this. I had a steamer, which is it was really nice. It was portable, but the thing was, whenever I plugged it into a place like the Philippines or South Korea or places in Europe, I think when I plugged it in Europe, that's when it like decided to like die. But like those places, it did not like it. So hopefully this product will last and will be my travel steamer from now on. But this thing is pretty hefty. It's on the heavier side. When you open the box, let's see what we got. Create a surprise experience for you. It comes with a storage bag, instruction manual, and a cue card. And then this is the steamer itself. Let's go ahead and get into this first. Like, I'm literally just unboxing a steamer in front of you guys. But basically, if you're new here, if this is why you clicked on the video, my name is Jason and I create content. I'm trying to create a video for every single day this year, so 365 videos, and I'm sort of behind. So that's why if you're catching me like near the time this video is uploaded, like basically the year of 2025, I'm behind, and that's why I'm posting multiple times per day. But this is something that I love to do. I love making videos. I love talking about things that I'm interested in, and this is no exception. So that's why it's included in this video. So global use, awesome. It tells you like the countries and stuff. Warm up state, 2 speeds of steam. So yeah, instruction manual. You got this like little, what is it called again? It doesn't even say. This is like the cover for it, I think. That's what it looks like. And then the bag. The bag looks, ooh, it's kind of fancy. Jack and Rose portable steamer for clothes. Okay, let's go ahead and get on with it. More paperwork. I will read this because I don't want to break it. But this is what it looks like. So in comparison to my last steamer, this one is actually not too much bigger. I think my last one was literally like just this part. Like it looked like just like the one part, but this over here was added. But I don't mind it at all. This was definitely a larger surface area, so I feel like I would be able to steam a lot faster. It does look nicer, but it is again on the more heavier side. The wire is definitely more heavy duty, so it's gonna be able to handle hopefully everything, like all the countries I go to. But I actually like the design. The last one, I'm gonna be comparing this one to my last steamer. But my last steamer was basically just this part, so when you had the cord folded up, it would kind of bulge out. But like with this, it's like even. It's nice. It's very formed. I don't know what. I don't know. It's very rectangular, I guess. But yeah, this is a nice to get to the reservoir. I think you just, yeah. Oh, so you don't. Oh, okay. You do pull it out all the way. That's cool. I'm not sure where to fill it up over here. But this is nice that it's a separate reservoir. You got some little texture on the back for grip, which I don't know if I like or not. But yeah, like the main part is kind of light and then this part is heavy. So it doesn't really matter to me. Look at that. It circles. But I think it is going to take a little bit of getting used to. So this goes, I think this goes on top of here. I think it's like when you're on, I don't know. Do you put it on after you finish using it or like while you're using it? It doesn't like to stay upright. I don't know what this is for, to be honest, but it's included. That is honestly pretty much it. I feel like this would be an incomplete video if I didn't go ahead and test it out. So I'll be right back. I'll fill up some water, and I don't know if we're gonna iron something or steam something, but I'll just show you the steaming function. Before I go and fill it up with water, I was trying to figure out how this part opens. So I opened up the manual and it's like, it says open the top. I'm like, what do you mean open the top? So I was trying to reach over to this part and trying to peel it off, but that's not the case. Like, you literally just peel off the top and it all comes out. So that's how you open it. It's pretty simple, and the whole opening is wide enough for you to fill it up fairly quickly. I'm back. We have it all filled up. I am not going to be cutting this, guys. We're doing this in real time. Okay? Wait, let me put the reservoir in first. That's very satisfying. I'm plugging it in. Okay, no cuts. No cuts from now on. We're going to figure this out. I'm turning it on. And I think you just press the button to switch in between the different modes. So there's dry, high, and low. Oh, what? Okay, so this plate here, I think this is what the plate is for, so I don't burn myself. So dry is, maybe it's an iron feature? I have no clue. But we're gonna go grab a shirt, okay? I'll be right back. No cuts. No cuts. This is the signature outfit that I usually wear, right? A white t-shirt. So we are currently, so I pressed M. Oh, it's on. Oh, sweet. So this is a low. Wow, this is a low mode. Look at that. Beautiful. So low mode is actually pretty decent, pretty consistent amount of steam. Let's try high. Oh yeah. And it heated up pretty fast. Like, I don't think I was gone for that long to grab a shirt from my closet. And then if you press dry, it'll stop steaming. And I think the plate is just what it is, so you could use it as a regular iron, which is, I don't know. They didn't really advertise that, but I guess you can just use it as like an iron. Cool. Really cool. I'm very scared and I don't want to burn myself, so what I'm gonna do is power it off, put it on that, like the little this thing. But in that amount of time, it did get a decent amount of water out, so I'm not sure what the runtime of this would be. It would probably only be like a few minutes before you had to refill your water, but that's more than enough to get a shirt done, right? If you have a few shirts, maybe you'll have to refill one time at least. But this okay, I'm not even gonna lie, this shirt was not even that wrinkled to begin with. I could have just worn it, but I just wanted to see how it would work, right? It's a steamer. Like, I feel like we all know how steamers work at this point. I just wanted to try it out. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, you know what to do. I'll leave links in the description. And yeah, thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.